Okay, so I am adding bars to my roof rack. The metal roof rack you see standing here, I've cut out some already and ground down the areas where I plan to weld new material to. Here, that's a better shot on this side. Zoom in a little bit so we can get a good shot. That's my new zoom lens, by the way. So yeah, I ground these down so I can get a better weld. And then I'll repaint them once they're complete. And this is just the end of the bar where I'm grinding the edge to match up the contours on the rack. And yeah, so I'll get a little bit of the shots of me grinding things and welding things. Okay, so that part. Almost there. Almost there. Son of a bitch! Ah. Okay, I guess I gotta put my jeans on because this is fucking ridiculous. I just got a welding spark down into my shoe. This is not working very well. Come on, 1.5. It's 12 times. Okay, helmet's not working. I don't know what the fuck's going on. Charge it out here some more. dies, grinder dies. Holy crap. I mean, at least the chop saw works. Okay, so in order to mount the rooftop tent, it has these sliders on the bottom, and it came with these plates, but these plates are supposed to go around these central bars and bolt on either side of the bar. Instead of doing that, because the bolts are kind of long, I'm going to end up cutting these bolts because I built this roof rack so low profile to the roof of the Sportage that basically the bolts would rub the roof, and I don't want that to happen. So instead of that, I put these C-channels in here in between these rails, and I'm bolting it through the C-channels with their original plate underneath. And I think that's going to work out really well. This last plate right here I had to cut so that it would fit between these two rails because I built them, well, the way I built them. But anyway, yeah, so in the center there, the roof rack is only about 1.25 inches above the corner, the edge of the roof. And so, right there. And so because of that, the bolts sticking through would hit the roof, and I don't want that to happen. So that's what we're gonna do. And this will also keep it from being able to slide forward, mostly, not 100%. I mean, it could still slide on the rail underneath here if I were to go heavy duty rock crawling and hit something nasty. You know, it could possibly still slide forward or backward, but I'm gonna make sure these are really tight, so hopefully that won't happen. You get a little zoom action there, show it a little more up close. It's not going in. Maybe it's the back one this time, I don't know. Nope, that's the bolt. Ah, nice.
There's a light out there. The light on the thing is red. It's flashing like red underneath. It's sunny.
Oh, well, that's it. You can have like hitting the trash thing.
Want to?
I love you. That's being light.
Oh. That's cool.
Well, it's cool.
This is what we have to do. I'm not sure we have to get up. We put them in the wall. And I'm going to get this light. But I have to do nuts. Oh no, that's what's happening. I need like 6 of those things on there just to go inside. And it's very hot thing. Like 100 degrees very close. Alright, I got 2 more of these this way. Nice. I was almost going to get work. He got it all the way in.
Okay. Now